Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets for Thursday the 20th of March. Chart I'm going to look at now is euro dollar, and certainly the dollar has strengthened overnight and pulled euro dollar sharply lower. That has brought it back towards the support band of these previous breakout highs around $1.3810. Not only that, you've got the support of this uptrend that's been in place since early February, so that's almost 7 week uptrend. And also you've got the support of this green moving average, which is the 21-day moving average. That currently comes in bang on 38.10 as we speak. So multiple supports going on for euro dollar around these levels, which suggests that at the moment this is just another opportunity to buy. The caveat to that would certainly be this MACD lines turning over, crossing to the downside. The RSI suggests it's still above 50, so that would suggest that it's still in positive configuration, and the stochastics are also, to be honest, they're just crossed over back below the 80 line, so that would suggest turning lower. But certainly at the moment, on the balance of technical indicators, you would say that this is just another opportunity to buy this chart. On the intraday chart, you'll see that that's the sharp move that we saw lower overnight. That was came on the back of Janet Yellen and the FOMC yesterday evening, and that certainly significantly corrected the euro lower. But that is back towards this, as I said, this support around 38.10. And pretty much around where it's trading at the moment. On the intraday chart, you'd also point out the fact that this is now broken this uptrend, and the moving averages are turning lower. So that would suggest that pressure is sort of growing to the downside. I'd also probably should point out the fact that we've got this this head and shoulders top, which seems to be now forming on this euro dollar chart. So that is a corrective signal suggesting possibly further downside back towards the low $1.37 area. So you'd argue that what you're getting is mixed signals on the intraday chart and the daily chart at the moment. So the pressure at the moment certainly would suggest that the downside is in charge at the moment. The bears, certainly in early European trading, you'd had the drift higher in Asian hours. Now that seems to be taking back over to the downside. So pressure is sort of mounting once more in this European session. Break below 38.08 would certainly increase the pressure onto the downside. And then the next support is at $1.3775, which has been a basis of support for on several occasions as well. So that is a basis of support coming in at 37.75, you'd say. As I said, the daily chart is suggesting that this could even be a buying opportunity, but at the moment the intraday chart is suggesting downside. So I think this is one to watch at the moment. I think piling in certainly, whilst the market is still having time to attune to this Fed FOMC change in guidance. I think that could be a little bit more volatile than normal on the euro dollar, so just bear that in mind. And certainly this afternoon you could see a bit of action on euro dollar with the weekly jobs claims and also the existing home sales and also lead indicators as well at 2 o'clock. So there could be a bit of action on this chart today, but certainly I think my take on this would be to sit and wait and basically see if this support can form around $1.38, and if we can start to see a bit of a low being formed, I think that could be an opportunity to buy, as the daily chart suggests. But I think this is one to watch in the early minutes of seeing how this calms down following on from that sharp move lower. So any sort of support that's formed around $1.38 and begins to turn higher, I think that could be a buy signal. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on euro dollar today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.